Hi students. Today we are going to discuss the past perfect continuous tense. When we are talking about a past time, we can use the past perfect progressive to talk about earlier situations which had continued up to that time. It means that a past action had been in progress till some other action took place. For example, all the roads were flooded. It had been raining solidly for 3 days. So the rain had been in progress for 3 days when the flood took place. Let us see another example. She got ill because she hadn't been sleeping enough. We use the past perfect continuous to talk about something that was in progress recently before or up to a past point of time, and the past perfect when we talk about a finished activity before a past time. For example, I had been finishing some work in the garden when Sue arrived. So I didn't hear her come in. So here we can use I had finished some work in the garden when Sue arrived, so I didn't hear her coming. Let us see another example. I had finished all the ironing, so I started cleaning the windows. Here we can say I had been finishing all the ironing, so I started cleaning the windows. So these examples clearly show that a past perfect continuous is used to talk about an action that was in progress up to a past point of time, and a past perfect to show a finished activity in the past. There are situations where we can use either the past perfect continuous or the past perfect with a very similar meaning. For example, I had been working hard all year, or I had worked hard all year, so I felt that I deserved a holiday. Here, both past perfect continuous or past perfect can be used. It gives same meaning. If we talk about how many times something has happened in a period up to a particular past time, we use the past perfect, not the past perfect continuous. For example, how many times had you met him before yesterday? Here we can use how many times had you been meeting. The past perfect continuous can be used to talk about a situation or activity that went on before a particular past time and finished at that time, or continued beyond it, or finished shortly before it. For example, we had been driving for about an hour when the engine suddenly stopped. So here we see we had been driving for about an hour. So that action was in progress, and then all of a sudden the engine stopped. Another example. She felt terrible during the interview because she had been suffering from flu since the previous day. Here we have to note that if we are not interested in how long the activity went on, we can use the past continuous instead of the past perfect continuous. Let us see an example. When the merger was announced, it became apparent that the two companies had been discussing the possibility since last year. See another example. A friend told me about a conversation she had recently overheard. Two women were discussing their holiday plans. In the second example, the speaker was not interested in how long this conversation went on. She just overheard, and then she says that they were discussing about their holiday plans. We should not forget that we don't describe states with the continuous tenses, and we use the past perfect, not the past perfect continuous, even when we focus on the length of the situation up to a particular past time. Let us see an example. We had owned the car for 6 months before we discovered it was stolen. Here we can use we had been owning the car for 6 months. So it is a state. So such words we don't use in continuous form. The past perfect continuous is mainly used in written texts and is less common in speech. So normally in newspaper stories, the past perfect continuous is used. So let us go through the examples.